Hey guys, it's Mike. Today I'm headed towards Mission Creek for the weekend, meeting the hiking group up there. Goes up that canyon there, up over to Whitewater. Oh, don't mind the hair if it's a little messy. Hey guys, I don't know if you can see these too well. These are my new Trekology Trek Z trekking poles. This is the version 2. They got actual cork handles, collapsible into 3 sections, about 15 inches long. All aluminum hardware. Straps to secure them to your hands. Metal tips. First time using them, they break down pretty easy. A nice little 15-inch long. Just drop them out. Pull. Ready to go. Okay, guys, I'm at the top now. That did me in. But go all the way down this canyon and off to the right you can see Palm Springs. San Jacinto, you can just see the little edge of it right here. Look, here we go. We got a gate, and this gate's to keep the cows out, or cows in. I don't know. Cows somewhere. Hey guys, here at the Whitewater River, up by Red Dome. About 4 miles out, 4 miles to go. So river's flowing actually pretty good. Okay guys, this is the last little uphill from the Whitewater River to Mission Creek. It's not too bad, but it's a good one. I've made it. I'm at the Mission Creek Preserve. It took me about 2 hours longer than I should have taken. The preserve's right over there, the stone house, and let's see what happens. Got about an 1/8 mile. Okay, Mission Creek is running really good. This is like the first year that's actually been running. Most times it dries up. Very cool. Hey guys, it's Saturday. We're here at the group's Christmas meetup. Susan and Christina over here. Susan's making coffee. We're all set up. Here's our campsite tent. Everything's pretty much the same. The trekking poles. First time using these, and they're actually really nice. Typical setup. Like 20-degree quilts. And Trekology sleep pads and Trekology table out in front, so we can wear shoes and over here we've got Donnie and Paul for the night. Here's Anthony's tent. That's all set up. We were talking about midnight last night. Oh look, we have Anthony from Ultralight Backpacker.
I don't feel like this weekend.
And over there we got Jason and Hector. Jason Outdoor, or Huck Outdoors, and Hector Outdoors. Hey guys, just out here doing I'm gonna walk to the Mission Creek. A lot of the group is already out there. Mission Creek right over there. Stone house. Down here in the desert, bring some wildlife. Got Jason, Huck Outdoors, Hector from Hector Outdoors. So guys, we're Susan's over here making fajitas for everybody. We got all the bell peppers and onions cut up, cilantro, all the flour tortillas, and we've got an empty pan. Oh, look at that! That right there is the chicken. It's been marinating all day.
Homemade seasoning.
Homemade seasoning. So we're not sure what they're gonna taste like, but we're gonna give it a shot. Then we got Tina over here. I'm not sure what Tina's making. Tina, what are you making?
Spinach.
Huh?
Cream spinach.
Cream spinach. Not a spinach eater, but I'll give it a shot. And then we got the most cutest thing here. Got the cutest thing here, right? Look at me. You're supposed to look. Up here. Up here. Oh, there you go. That was a good shot. oh, look at. Yeah, you're gonna be famous now. Oh, Joey, your wife was looking for you. Over here we got Jason's making chili. And look at this, chili.
Keto chili. It's got some diced tomatoes, bell peppers, onion, some special ingredients that you just can't see on camera because then everybody would know. But it will be delicious. I've been testing it out all week.
Very cool. Definitely gonna have some of that. And I gotta go and get trapped into this.
Oh yes, please do.
Meatball sandwich.
Meatball sandwich. Oh, and the meatballs. Oh my God, were like the best. Oh, I had some.
Delicious.
Delicious. Jose made the meatballs, and the meatballs were like,
Dude, those were great.
Awesome. You might have to come home with me. stuck. Yeah! Go team! Oh, that's gonna
On the count of 3, the claw.
Mike, don't move. Now we got a kiss. Turn it upside inside.
Yeah.
That's right, because you're going to end up opening hers anyway.
She probably hers are